If your projects are slipping through the cracks, deadlines are mess, and your team's communication is scattered across 5 different apps, stop right now. You don't need another tool, you need a system, and Notion is that system. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how a simple Notion template, a complete project management powerhouse, without paying for expensive PM tools or drowning in complexity. I have spent couple of years building systems that actually work across teams, solo businesses, agencies, startups, and today I'll show you how to structure Notion for real businesses, project management, the perfect difference between task management and project systems, my exact project hub layout I use for content, client work, and teams, advanced features like automations, dependencies, and timeline. Plus, how to scale this if you are managing a team. No fluff, no aesthetic dashboards, just systems that help you deliver. First mistake most people make, they treat Notion like a notebook, but it's a database engine. You should start with 3 core databases: projects, where your high level outcomes will come, tasks, which will be linked to those projects which are need to be done, and resources like docs, SOPs, files, and links. Don't build 10 different pages. Build relationship. One project can have 50 tasks. One tasks can be linked to multiple resources. This is how you avoid chaos. So let's jump into it. So this is the project management manager I have been using for all of my staffs. So this is the project hub. It's where everything lives. And here's how it's laid out. You can see the project's views, like the task views. And if you create a new project, new tasks here, like just simply add a relation to a page which has the brief of the project, and as simple as that. Tasks table view with filters where this week's tasks, today's tasks, and even the completed task will be shown here. But if you want all of them to show in one page, just simply click to all, and that will be, as you can see, I have added the new editing client edit, and it has already came here. And the great part of this template is that it has you can it has already pre-built linking link to all the other pages, but if you create new ones you will have to link them manually. And if you have this template, you don't need 50 templates. You need this only one clean dashboard you check every morning. As simple as that. Now for the real magic. All of the tasks already linked to projects using relation. All you have to do, just write the name of the tasks and add the project which you want to add by relation. Relation is already has pre-made. You just have to connect it to whatever your project has. And each task says like to-do list, doing or done, assign, due date, priority, dependencies, use roll-ups, and status logic. This lets you build automations like if a task is marked done, the project progress auto updates. If one task is blocked, the timeline view visually shows the delay. This is not just task tracking, it's project intelligence. So let's recap. Project management is not about making lists, it's about visibility, accountability, and speed. And Notion gives you full control. Start with those 3 core databases. Build a single source of truth, the project manager. Use connections, roll-ups, views, and templates to scale. And if you're working with a team, communication, but most people make Notion look beautiful. We made it powerful. If you want my free project manager, if you want this free project manager template, the link is in the description. If this video helped, hit like, and if you're building systems that scale, subscribe. This channel is for people who are done with chaos and want clarity. You're in.